My task for today is to get these fall decorations cleaned up. I got some pumpkins. I'm gonna hold them off to the pigs. You can see down here, got some pretty big ones here and here. So we're gonna get all these pumpkins picked up, all these old mums, this bale of hay, and like I said, I'm gonna feed the pumpkins to the pigs. We're gonna get all this cleaned up. I got my TYM down here, and it's change of holidays, so I got orders to get this cleaned up, and they're gonna get ready for Christmas, I guess. I don't know exactly what they're gonna do. That's not my department. So first thing I'm gonna do is get these pumpkins cleaned up, throw them in the bucket of the TYM. We'll haul them down there and feed them to the pigs. And one note, I've been filming with my phone, and I'm kind of looking this way when I should be looking this way. I know some when I edited some, so the way it's laid up, it makes me look the wrong way. But anyway, all right. So I'm gonna get these pumpkins picked up, fed to the pigs, and we'll get all this stuff I'm gonna throw away, and I'll get these fall decorations picked up, and then I think I'm gonna maybe try to pull some of these weeds and throw down some more bark, and then they come down here and do whatever they want to do. This won't be this video. They don't want to be filmed. So all right, let's get to cleaning up, get this done. We had some pretty pumpkins, didn't we? I throw these to the pigs, but it's that time of year. They say you can replant these mums, but I really don't have no place to put them. This has still got some green on it. I bet it'd come back. here today.
Definitely gets me with you. Oh, it's got to get lower. I had that Pokemon growing over here. Got another ages now. Looks like one's get away from me.
I could go build another firewood rack. I stopped yesterday evening after I got through, quit raining a little bit, and got at the Home Depot. I got 2 landscape timbers, 8 foot. So this will be 8 foot. I think the other one was 5 foot, and 2 blocks. And I got 2 before in the throwaway section. So I got $11 in an 8 foot rack, and I'm gonna go build that now. I'm not gonna film it, but I'm gonna carry it down there and build it. But after when I get it built, like got 2 more loads over at Dad's house I gotta go get. I might try to get one today. I don't know, they might not want me up in their yard when it's kind of wet. So it'll get this afternoon or tomorrow. But anyway, I got that rack. I just want to let you know it cost me 11 bucks and some cents to do that. And that's cheap. I mean, it seems to me like it's real cheap. So just thought I'd pass that along. Okay, I got another project done in the books. Hey, let's a little better. I need to find that back a little better, but I'll get that here in a minute. I gotta go get a rake, so you ain't gotta see all that. So anyway, all right. I guess they'll be happy and come down here and do their thing, and if I get done, I don't know if they're gonna do it today. It's been kind of a yucky day, but I'll show you all that after they get it done. So anyway, probably tomorrow when we get it, and I'll show it in the next video if I can think of it. So I'm about out of wood chips down there, believe it or not. I just call my guy and see if I can get some more. I need about 8. I got 10 loads 3 years ago, so 10 loads has done me for 3 years. I still got a little bit. Just now breaking down good. It takes forever for it to break down. So anyway, all right. Appreciate you watching. Support your local farmer. Hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Send me an email. I answer all emails, all comments, all that stuff. I do it all. You talking to me, the real person. This is not AI or whatever. Anyway, support your local farmer. We'll see you down there for the next video.